Welcome to Naples.
Yay! You welcome to Naples.
Yeah. Welcome to Naples. To me.
Yeah.
Hello.
Going down.
The lift is going down.
This is a bracelet that I got that's matching the one that...
Here's the thing, it's much better in the morning when everyone's asleep.
Okay, I'm just telling you, I go through life oblivious. Yeah, I didn't hear anything.
Yeah, they're like whispering to us like a dog.
What? Good morning, Soohee.
That's cute.
Oh, it is.
Yeah, I did it.
Good job, honey.
I think we're safe.
Soohee's so nuts sometimes, you guys.
That's well, that's
Good morning. So our plan today is
Naples for a couple hours. And then we're gonna ferry on over to Sorrento.
water ferry or
And then we're gonna do lunch, do stuff, and then go to cooking class in Sorrento. Cute. Are you gonna brush your teeth again? It's just graffiti, but it just, I don't know, I feel like there's like respectfulness to it. It's not just like,
yeah, because the city lets it happen. Is it this one up here? No. I definitely like this one. This one's cool and funky. I definitely like this one. This one looks like you. And I feel like I can say that. Okay, we went back to the hotel and we changed. It was hot. We missed the ferry to Sorrento, so now we're gonna go try to see how to get on the next one.
I actually don't know if we missed it so much as it sold out. Like we didn't pre-plan the ferry ticket.
We'll figure it out. I'm not pressed. Really, it's just tomorrow that we've got like really set plans in Positano and then Capri as well. But like today, we can just chill. We can chill and we can adventure. Ooh, she's cool. She's the cool, mysterious girl at the ferry. The cool, mysterious girl at the ferry. On the ferry to Sorrento, Soohee is prepared. You've got the Dramamine, you've got the wristband, you've got the ginger shoes.
Ginger heart.
We made it to our hotel in Sorrento, and it's right on the marina. A cute little balcony. It's like in this little castle. Here's our cutie little room. I love our bed. Oh, the bathroom is really big and modern. I like it. Very chic, Soohee. On the way to get some seafood. We're gonna try this restaurant by the beach. Well, we're gonna try to get there and see what we see. And then we have a cooking class tonight. And I'm so happy to be in Sorrento. I love it here.
Super cute.
Everyone's like, yeah, it's just like a home base. Like it's not, I don't know, I feel like it's special in its own right. I'm into it.
Okay, we're gonna 05 photo it.
For the fam. Did this grow some hair on your chest? Because that's what phrase to say, like, if something makes you manly, like if something's like, oh, that whiskey was really strong, it grew some hair on your chest. Like this shot of espresso was really strong, did it grow some hair on your chest?
Yeah.
Why?
It's better. No, Positano.
No.
I literally am so hilarious.
Take a photo of me struggling.
Size, white in another bowl because don't use. First dip. This? No. It's America.
Big pinch.
Yes. Italian pinch. Okay? So, the bread is toasted. Okay? And this ready.
And the weakest person. She said this is like a ham and cheese kind of savory cake that she made herself. This is bruschetta that she made herself. I love her. On the cute little pedestal. I feel sad that she feels flustered. Owner, I believe it's two women who own it. We're not sure if they're related or if they're together, but they're both adorable. Anyway, they said they have two seagulls and we're like, what do you mean? And they're right. Like, look at, that's one of the seagulls. I think the other one is right there if you can see its little head. Because she was saying that the seagulls love the pastries. So to be careful. And here's our view. We basically were in Nat Geo because the hornets and the wasps love the mortadella. She said they love anything strong smelling. So we've been just out here with nature.
She typically doesn't recommend it because it's super crowded and difficult to get taxis to the center of it. But it just seems like she's saying like, Kate,
Don't go to Capri.
swim around Capri, and we're at Capri, just docking and going to physical land. She says she typically doesn't even recommend.
Today we are headed to Positano. We're gonna do a day trip. So right now we're at the port in Sorrento. Sponsored by Dramamine.
And a midterm nausea bands. I can't move my fingers because it's like my nerves.
It's basically just shocking you.
A little bit, yeah. But it's working.
I love those sunglasses. You look so cute.
Definitely one of those purchases of where I've worn sunglasses twice since I bought them.
We have vongole spaghetti. Everyone's obsessed with Soohee and her Arianzo beach hair. Ooh, super cute. Yes. We did some shopping. We missed the last ferry back to Sorrento. That's okay. We're taking a little lemon break before we head to the cab area, and literally, my shoe broke. I had to rip it apart. These cats are showing us the way to the lift into town. We decided, grazie kitten. Meow. We decided to come back to Sorrento for dinner. We were just too tired to like hang out in Positano for any longer. Guire outfit repeater. Hey now. Hey now. Sing to me, Paolo. This is what dreams are made of. Cutie. You're so pretty. Bye, baby. My cutie. My sweet girl.
Oh my goodness. And you're not stray at all. You're so fluffy.
We've already circled the island of Capri. We're gonna swim here, and then we're gonna go travel up and down the Amalfi Coast, like the actual peninsula, and then stop in somewhere for lunch. Motorsport. Put that shit in sport. Skirt, skirt. With me, so I've decided to leave her in the middle of the ocean. Bye. See you. Oh.
just choose water. It's really that low. No, seriously.
I'd always do it anyway. Can we cheers a lemon? Let's cheers something.
You cheers your Coke.
Cheers. This is my last night in Sorrento and we're going to dinner. We're sun-kissed.
We are.
We've been kissed by the sun.
Heavy.
Heavy. We had a heavy makeout sesh with the sun. So now we're wandering into town. It's Sunday. Lots of restaurants are closed. But Soohee's scouted. Soohee's done some research and we're gonna see what we can find. Oh my gosh. They're having fireworks for our last night. If we are rating airports, then I give the Naples airport a 0 out of 10 because this place is insane. I said, oh my gosh, what's happening? They said, no, it's like this every day. And actually, I got kicked off my flight because it was oversold. I spent the night in a hotel airport, which is deceiving because it's actually 45 minutes away from the hotel. I did get a really juicy flight credit for this though, so thank you for watching my vlog and
She keeps texting me, so we're okay. We're just thinking, oh.